It's a matter of utter shame and disgrace for the state that in broad daylight, some criminals backed by a BJP corporator storms into the office of the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation and bids the additional commissioner of the corporation, who is a senior Odisha Administrative Service officer, black and blue. And you should see this videos to believe it, the way they're dragging him into the portico and raining blows and kicks on him. I think they were just plain hardened criminals posing as BJP's workers. And most unfortunate thing is that the BJP has not said that they are not their people. In fact, the BJP is proudly saying, their leader Jagannath Pradhan, who was the candidate who contested elections last year, proudly proclaiming that they were BJP workers and that this has happened because there were some other issues. Now, if he has something very important thing which he knows of, then he should be brought into investigation. The police has not filed, included sections 61, criminal conspiracy, and section 117 of the BNS into the FIR. Section 61 is very much essential because then Mr. Jagannath Pradhan should be brought into the ambit of investigation and he might have his point of view and the police should investigate. It is utter shame and disgrace that this is happening in the capital city of Odisha, which had never seen such incidents in the last 24 years. When Naveen Patnaik was the chief minister, he wanted to convert Odisha's capital city into, all of us know, a smart city, a tech hub, an education hub, a skill hub, a tourism hub. And what has it become now? I think this government is hell-bent in making this into a crime capital of the country. I think it can boast that after 1 year of government itself, it has successfully marched towards converting Bhubaneswar into a crime capital, a Gunda capital, and within 5 years, it will make it worse than probably Bihar.